guys, this is Raja from Elementor Add-ons. In this episode of Tips and Tricks, I will show you how to transform your code using the 10 stunning blockquote layouts by Xpro. So let's get started. Drop the free Xpro Blockquote widget for Elementor. This is the default view. Let's personalize it. Head to the Content tab and select your favorite layout from this position drop-down menu. Let's first trial this one. Select the icon from this icon library or upload your own SVG if you have one. Sticking with the default, now let's quickly add some details. Title, designation, and the quote in description. Mr. Arthur C. Clarke is well loved for his imaginative science fiction stories and his ability to foresee future technologies. Now let's try the other layouts. Each layout has its own unique style, allowing you to choose arrangements that include icons, images, where you can add relevant image if you have with the quote, or you can go for clean text-only design. Find the one that you like best. Select the layout that fits your taste and your website. Try adjusting fonts, color, spacing to match your site style. For detailed video on Blockquote widget, check out our YouTube channel. Wow, isn't it look attractive? Let's see how the other layout will look with this styling. Let me show you some examples of how you can use it. These layouts are perfect for highlighting testimonials, important quotes, or key points in your articles. Pro tip: keep your blockquotes short and simple to make them easy to read. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing tips and tricks.